Hello everybody, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
What brings us here today is an old friend, Meguiar's PlastX. This product right here either made you love us or hate us. If you have no idea what we're talking about, just click the video that's up above. It'll get you caught up to speed. We heard that this product right here, Meguiar's PlastX, not only can it be used on your headlights, but it can restore plastic trim on your vehicle. So if you look right here around my windows in my 2009 Highlander, you can see in the B-roll footage that the plastic, it has some junk on it.
Yeah.
And this Meguiar's PlastX, we're gonna see if it will clean it up. Little does Phil know is that I'm about to throw him through a loop. Guess what, Phil? I'm going to apply this product with this applicator pad right here, and then you're gonna take this microfiber towel.
Okay.
And you're gonna wipe the product off, and we're gonna see if it made any improvement to the trim on this Highlander.
Okay, now I'm flexible, I can go with it. And you might be thinking, well, what does this matter? Who does what and what? Well, I don't do a lot of car maintenance, so if I can do this, anybody can do this.
Now it's all right if you get it on your windows, supposedly. Whoa. So before I started on this, I did try and clean it off with some detailer, but it looks like already that this Meguiar's PlastX is already starting to maybe do something to it.
Yeah, I can tell.
Maybe.
Or it's just like, you know, wetting a stain. It blends in.
Yeah. Actually, I'm starting to think that might be it. But I don't know.
Sometimes you get excited.
Sometimes you get excited at first, you know. You get caught up in the hype. Now, Phil, all you gotta do is wipe this until you don't see a haze on the windows where I did a little bit of overlap, and then all over this. Just start
clean
wiping.
that off first.
Yep, just keep wiping it. Yep, just wipe on this black part here.
I want to get that off first.
Yeah, see, look, already coming off. Well, the plastic haze is, but not the junk. Okay, well, after 2 coats, I don't really know if it made a difference or not. We did shoot a before video, and we have an after one. So here's that B-roll right now. Phil, looking at it, do you think that there's any difference from how it looked before?
Not really. I would say it polished the parts that were already clean. That's about it. Now, it could be that the process, you read about this, that it could be used for this, probably for cars that didn't have quite as much of, you know, advanced level of gunk built up here. And it probably would have worked. But, you know, for this, it didn't quite do what we were looking for. So,
yeah, I think this just has too much dirt on it. And we're gonna have to use a product that's made specifically for this application. I don't know, that might be a future video. If that's something that you wanna see, leave a comment down below. Nonetheless, Phil, I think that at least one thing that we could have done is made it to where someone else doesn't waste their time and energy using plastics to try and clean something like this.
That's true. Just, you know, analyze your own window trim to see, is this look too advanced compared to like what we just did here? You know, you saw the before, and it's like, okay, does my car look like that? Then maybe don't waste your time and effort and the money on it. But, you know, look elsewhere for a different solution.
Yep, that pretty much wraps it up. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you're notified whenever we put out new content.
That's right.
As always, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
And we're out.
Bye.